Hi everyone, Rene with whyamigreen.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you two things. Number one, I just went to this really cool place called the Pepper Palace, woohoo! And I purchased this hot wing sauce. I love wings. I'm just starting to get into hot wings, and this is Wing Master Ghost wing sauce, buffalo style. Ghost, made from ghost peppers and some other ingredients, but mostly ghost peppers. So what I'm going to do is show you how Raluca is making the wings. So we're going to make the wings with this, and while waiting for them to finish, will be a few minutes, I am going to show you a really quick, I guess you could say, review of the Pepper Palace when I was there. You're going to love this place. It has more pepper stuff that you can shake a jalapeno at. So let's go ahead and begin. All right, here we are. There's the wings. There's the hand of Raluca. Ooh, that's before sauce. And who is the chef? Follow the arm. It's Raluca! Hello! Say hi. Okay, let's see what she does. So she has the wings. She has a secret sauce.
You have to shake it. You have to shake it really well.
You gotta shake.
That's what it says on here, somewhere in there. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. We even had the music back up in case it explodes. Wow, look at that.
And then...
You folks want to smell it? Oh. Ah, smells good.
Let's put some of that on.
Put some of that on. How much are you putting on?
Well, it says serving size 2 tablespoons, but I'm just going to do 1.
So are you going to lick the spoon now?
No.
I wouldn't. And
now I'll just mix them up like this.
That's how you put? You don't put any more?
I think this should be enough.
Well, maybe I'll be able to eat them. So afterwards, after I show you the Pepper Palace, we'll come back and show you what they taste like. I'll actually eat them, and we'll see if I make it.
You want more?
If I give up the ghost pepper. Put a little bit more. Why not? We'll make this. That's not quite a challenge, but let's put some
really
spice
hot,
on it. Yeah, let's make it.
I could smell it.
Look at that. Can you smell that, folks?
The joke's on you. Oops.
Ooh, they look good. They had all kinds of different stuff, by the way. They had this ghost one. They had habanero. They had jalapeno. They had, yes, they did have, what's that really? Reaper. Carolina Reaper one. They had more stuff than you can imagine there. They even had popcorn. Hot pepper popcorn. It's supposed to be the hottest popcorn in the world, which I'll show you that. I actually took a shot of that in the video.
So
oh wow, this is going to be hot. I'm having a hard time breathing right now. Go ahead.
So now I'm gonna put the cover on and let them sit there with the heat off for about 5 minutes.
Oh, look at that. There we go. Anything you want that's hot. Hot sauces, hot everything is here. What's this? Hot pickles? Oh my gosh. Don't think Raluca saw those. Good, because I hate pickles. Anyway. And I just bought, ooh, let me show you what I just got. I got one of these really cool hats. And you're going to see it on me when I stop the zooming of the store. Look at that. Everyone wants one of those. If you want to be like me, you need a Pepper Palace red hat. Matter of fact, get one. You could order it online. Take a picture of it and send me the picture. I'll put you on my website. How's that? And every kind of, they got Reaper and ghost pepper and jalapeno, but who'd want jalapeno when they get all the hot stuff, right? Look at that. Even got peach serrano. And angry, I can't say that word because I'll have to bleep. And Trump, well, this one here, that's another word I can't say because I'll get haters. So, when you know, the first ones I show you are all the controversial ones. But look at that, hot sauces. Every kind. And look at that nice, beautiful sunny day. That's something you haven't seen in Maine recently. And everything. So you got to go online, check this place out, or go to one of their outlets. How many outlets did you say they had?
Over 100.
Over 100 outlets. Just think of all the hot stuff you can get. Woohoo! And look at there, they even have booze. Not really, but if you drink it straight, I didn't suggest it. They did. No. Let's see. Hold it. Wow, what's this? The hottest popcorn in the world. Woohoo! No, I'm not going to do it. I've got enough hot stuff. Born to Grill, they've got books. Oh, look at that character up there. You could be doing that with Reaper sauce on it. Woohoo! That's coming around here. This is what we just came over here and got some, or there's so much stuff I'm getting confused. I'm lost in a pepper palace, help! No, that's what we just got. We just picked up some of this stuff right here. Look at that, huh? Wingmaster Ghost. So, we're going to be having some hot wings. And going around there. And there is the lovely pepper host. Yeah, she's eating peppers right now. Is that pepper coffee?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so, just so you know, that is the Pepper Palace. And I will leave their webpage in the description and the comments below. Oh, you're back. So anyways, the wings are done and ready to eat. You know, you can tell that you got a good hot sauce when you sit down to eat them and you're already coughing. The aroma does get through the room, okay? So this is the Wingmaster Buffalo sauce. And I also wanted to let you know while I was at the store, right over there, okay, good advertising. I also bought Mountain Habanero hot barbecue sauce. So I can start doing putting some chicken on the barbie, as they say in Australia. I'm probably gonna get razzed for that. So let's go ahead and see how they are. They smell good. They smell good. You don't even notice the hotness. Not convincing, huh?
Really?
It's actually very tasty.
It smells good.
I'm not going to take a deep whiff again. Normally, we make wings. We have a... Is that a hot sauce you normally use? Yeah, when you make hot wings, they're just normal hot sauce you get from the grocery store.
Yeah.
And you can tell the difference. The taste of that, you know, there's vinegar and all. It doesn't really taste like this at all. Okay.
Smooth?
You can tell this is these are smooth. They're extremely tasty. I don't get that vinegar taste that you normally get. They're hot. They're tasty. Look at that, huh? Nice and golden brown. I know you want it. You want it, don't you? So you don't want it now. They're hot, but I'm not supposed to talk with my mouth full. I'm not going to eat all of them in front of you. I'm going to save some for myself. I'm going to talk with strings of chicken dangling from my teeth. Hold on. Okay, here we go. They're hot, but not so hot that you can't taste the chicken. You know what I mean? Like when you eat a ghost pepper or a reaper, you can say something tastes good, but you really can't taste it. The stuff's just too darn hot. This here is hot. You got that bite, you know, which is really good. I mean, I'm sure I'm still going to feel it. You know, my lips are getting a little numb, you know. I'm sure I'm going to still feel it in a little while from now, but it's not going to bother me like, you know, sometimes the peppers do themselves. So it's a very good taste. So my response on these chicken wings and this sauce is 2 thumbs up. I think they're great. Matter of fact, I'm going to be going back to the store soon to, I was going to say to get some a little stronger, but this is probably a little too hot for RALU, so we're going to get probably something lesser maybe something with a habanero rather than ghost pepper. And I'm also going to see about maybe getting the Reaper one for myself to see how that tastes. That'd be interesting. I've eaten plenty of Reapers, but you can't taste anything. But this sauce, I'm sure they put other things, like this one here has cayenne pepper and some others. All natural ingredients, by the way. So with the, I can't even think of the name, Carolina Reaper, I'm sure it'll be something I'll be able to actually taste the food as well. So I'm anxious to try that. So give them a shot. And pepperpalace. You like my hat? I love it. I like the color of it. And the contact information for them is below the video. They have, I think they said over 100 locations, but you can go online and get what you want there. So enjoy it. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now. Okay, a little after the fact. Raluca just reminded me, I should probably let you know that. I look like I work for the company, but I don't. This is not sponsored. We happened to be out shopping for Raluca to get makeup. I saw the store right next to it and we popped in and got a couple bottles. I was really interested and they let me videotape while I was in there. No sponsorship. I'm not getting paid for this. I just really like the stuff and had a lot of fun when I was in the store. So keep that in mind. My opinion was a true opinion. Otherwise, I'd show you another one that I really like better. Haven't found one yet. When I do, I'll show it to you. Bye-bye.